Hello, my loveless. I hope you are well. Our lesson today is called the disease. It's our last part in this unit, so let's start. There are living things that cause the disease. The first disease called the parasite. Any living thing that lives on or in the body of another living thing is called the parasite. And the living thing that the parasite infects it is the host. So now we know the parasite and the host. Let's talk about the bacteria. The bacteria are a very small living things that we can only see using the microscope. The viruses are even smaller than the bacteria. So talk about the bacteria, the virus. The virus is smaller than the bacteria. All viruses are harmful and cause the disease in the human, animal, plants, and also the viruses even infect the bacterium. After that, the yeast. We use the yeast in the bread rinds is a fungus, mushroom, as we eat, but there are some another fungus or parasites that cause the disease. So the yeast that cause the disease, it's another type. Let's talk about the examples of disease that caused by the living things like bacteria. The first disease called cholera, and the second disease of the bacteria called pneumonia. The P is silent. Okay, viruses, flu and chickenpox, fungi, ringworm, athlete's foot, other parasites like malaria and dysentery. Okay. So let's talk about the parts in our body that defends against these diseases. The first one, the tears. In our tears contain the chemicals that kill some bacteria. In mucus in our nose, the wine bomb and the other air. The passages that trap germs. Our skin. The skin acts as barrier to stop the germs from getting into the body. The acid in the stomach kills any germs in the food we have eaten. So we have 4 parts in our body that defend against the disease. So what's the best way to prevent the disease? Like the insect bites. First thing, that's sleep under bed nets, wear long sleeves and long trousers, keep the doors and windows closed at the night when mosquitoes are active, use insect repellents on your skin to keep the insects away, burn mosquito coil to keep the insects away. We finished our lesson today, so thanks a lot. If you need anything, please tell me.